Hi guys, welcome once again. On my previous video I discussed about the pre-flight checklist, which is basically a list of things you need to check out for before you take your drone up into the sky. Today we'll be discussing about post-flight checklist. So basically, just like the name implies, post is things you do after taking flight. So what I mean is, by the time you've taken your very captivating pictures, you've taken your very captivating video, and when you come back to land, these are the things you should do before storing away your drone. So this is what a post-flight checklist is. A post-flight checklist will ensure optimal health of your drone and would also ensure that your drone lasts long. It increases longevity. This checklist will ensure you do not skip anything, and it will also ensure you do not miss anything when powering down and storing your aircrafts. The first post-flight checklist is landing. When you're landing, you want to ensure that it is safe to land. So what you do is you want to check for people, you want to check for obstacles so that you do not crash your drone. Next thing, when you land, the next thing to do is to power off your drone. You want to ensure that you turn off your drone immediately you land the drone, after which you can now remove the battery of the drone. The next thing to do is to turn off the controller. This is you power off the controller which you use to control the drone. Another of the post-flight checklist is visual inspection. With this, you inspect the drone to be sure that there are no damages whatsoever, no clipped wings, no cracks on the body of the drone. After this, you want to do a gimbal inspection. Doing this, you have to carefully rotate the gimbal to see if it can move freely or not. After this, the next thing to do is to clean. So basically, you clean your sensors, you clean the gimbal, you clean the lenses to rid it of any sand, any dust or debris that must have gathered on the drone or on the sensors while you're in flight. The next thing you want to do is to dry. So this is applicable when there are residues on the drone. Probably you flew in very humid weather and there's a bit of water or whatsoever on it. What you want to do is to wipe the drone dry. After you've done this, you'd want to reinstall the gimbal protector. So if you remember, in the pre-flight checklist, you have to remove the gimbal protector first before powering on the drone. So in the post-flight checklist, after you've cleaned it, after you've wiped it of any debris, you now have to reinstall the gimbal protector to keep the gimbal safe from breaking. After you've installed the gimbal protector, the second to last thing you want to do is to clean the drone sensors. So what you do is to double check if all the infrared and vision sensors are clean. Last and most important thing you do is to store your drone. This is quite simple. You just place the drone bag into the drone carriage bag or into the safety case to protect it from whatsoever damage. That's all for drone post-flight checklist. Following this checklist, you reduce the risks and uncertainty of drone malfunction. It will also help you maintain compliance with safety regulations. Help you follow proper procedure for safe and smart drone operation. If this video has taught you something, please like, drop a comment, and also share with somebody out there. If you have any questions or suggestions, please don't hesitate to drop it in the comment section down below. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting drone videos. That's all for today, guys. Don't forget to stay jiggy.